There's definitely theories in baseball circles where I'm like, did he do that typo on purpose because he knows that tweet's gonna pop off? Like the All-Star game one, it was like Shohei Ohtani hit like the first home run in an All-Star game since Mike Piazza in 1996. It meant to be the first Dodger, but it's like the typo. I feel like when you throw a typo in there, you know it's gonna pop off. Like that's that Bob brand of baseball right there.
We're on to you, Bob. That's what we're getting at. Is we're on to you.
I literally don't do it on purpose. I think people thought I was doing it on purpose. But I think since then I bought some reading glasses. Like, you know what? Let me look at my screen on the phone and be a lot more careful about that.
But when you realize that you've had a typo in your tweet, are you like, I gotta leave it? I mean, this is what the people want.
Well, now it's easier. You can actually correct it. So, with
the edit button.
So sometimes when those messages pop right up, it's like, I really screwed up here.